Oh, hey guys, it's Sig. I'm back. And how are we all doing today? Right, so guys, when you're out and about and everything, so this is what I think, right? If you need to dye your beard and all that, but you have not got any beard dye, but you want to go out for the night. So, here's my tip. Find your wife, yep, preferably while she's sleeping, and get some mascara. Does that look like a mascara to you? Oh, I better not. But anyway, this is what I think, right? As you can see, my beard looks very pale, as you can see. But here's my tip for you. You get the mascara. Then you just do that. Ugh. Easy. Easy said than done. So, yep. Good job, not ginger. Oh, get a lot of hair in my mouth when doing this. And the great thing is, it does not even smudge. So, that's always a good thing. Oh, it's getting there. It is actually getting there. So, ooh, that looks sexy. And there you go. That is how, guys. Just get your wife's mascara or your missus, girlfriend, whatever, your hooker, your slap, anyway, and do that. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And follow me on all social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, even though I don't use it that much. But yeah. Anyway, you take care. Goodbye.